Very cool. Here, explain. Congratulations. Alright, so for this we did take off and set speed to 39, which is pretty much its max. Then fly down 20 inches, so it goes a little bit lower, so it doesn't just go too high and hit the roof. Then repeat 3 times, curve times 125, 20, x1 25, y1 25, then y2 50, x2 10. 10 kind of makes it go up about. And when you do a second curve, you kind of just pretty much put a negative on all the other ones. Then put the same number here. And then land.
Alright, very cool. Good job.